everybody! Welcome again to another video. I am here in Manila and right at this time, finally after a long biyahe sa dalan, napagyapon mi sa dalan. So murag 1 hour na mi on the road. So you've seen kanina that I took a coffee dito sa Terminal 2 and we're heading straight sa ABS-CBN. So kuya, kamusta? So how many hours are we expecting ba to get there? 30 minutes na lang di ay finally. So asa ta? Ay, saan po tayo? Magtagalog munday ko. Saan tayo exactly na road?
Santa Mesa.
Ah, nasa Santa Mesa na. My God. So, pa-practice ko yung Tagalog ko pala. My God. So, yun na nga. So, Tagalog. Again, I'm here in Manila. Real quick lang for the Himig Finals Night. Which, grabe. Ako lang mo istoryahan kung what is Himig. So, si ABS-CBN, nagpa-contest siya o himig-handog para sa mga employees sa ABS. Yeah, so exclusively for employees lang, but we can collaborate with another artist outside ABS, which is si Winsett Hakot ako ang kauban. So this was way back 2018 pa ha. So imagine sa nakadugay. And so daganan ni siya times nga na-postpone right until this year and January 21st. Finally, madayon na gyud ang finals night. So, it's gonna be at Dolphy Theater. So, they said that it's right around the ABS-CBN compound. So, we'll check out later tonight kung unsa gyud ang mahitabo. And I hope masortean me and will win the grand title. So, hope lang nato na, no? And, very, very sad news lang. Because instead of Jonah, si Ate Jonah, si Jonalyn Viray singing to interpret our piece due to mga, di na to malikay na mga busy schedules. Si Miss Gigi De Lana na lang of TNT ang mag-interpret sa amo ang piece. But then again, let's attract good omens and let's hope na she'll be our lucky charm for this song. But yeah, so tune in na lang morning of video para makita ninyo later on kung saan may tabo sa finals night. And of course, we'll give you a tour also of the ABS-CBN office here in Manila. 30 minutes away and we're going there. So finally, I am at the compound ng ABS-CBN. So we are here sa Heroes Burger. So by the way, I am with Sir June. Hello. Ang kataas-taasan ng ABS-CBN.
Hindi naman.
Ang may hawak ng mga salapi. Si Sir June. So nag-breakfast kami here sa Heroes Burger and I just went to the corporate office ng 4th floor for a briefing and I have the rest of the day till 1 p.m. para maglibot-libot, masuroy-suroy here sa ABS-CBN kung asang pwede na ako masuroyan. So again, I am here for the Himig Finals Night and I'm so flattered kaya kadunggan ako everywhere ang song. Okay, so just hang on there and we'll see kung hasta mo isuri here sa ABS-CBN compound. Oo nga eh. I think they're starting. Huh? Miss Ariella. Hi, Miss Ariella. So we are starting with the tour. So right around the compound. So we are right here sa segment sa Showtime. So dito nga area. lang nakita na Sir Ricky and is not busy. Kaya upunan mo niya sa MOR booth! MOR booth! Access. We are here.
Ay, pa-cancel pa nung order ko. Ano, Jai? Sige, stop, Jai. Let's see what will happen. I dare you. Dare, M-O-R. Amping-amping, Jai.
Okay, bye-bye! Hey there! So, Gidget now is on stage, rehearsing.
Kita yung composer.
Good luck, sis.
Ito po yung composer.
Hindi, nakaupo muna habang
Ay, no, kay that.
Yes.
Hello there, everybody. So, finally, I have checked into my room. And here at La Breza Condo Hotel. And ako kay siya for me. Really? And ako lang isa. Well, right at this time, I am now preparing for the finals night. We just had a rehearsal kanina with Gidget. And yeah, we're hoping for the best. And also making the best me.
Sa Dog Together at live na rin tayo partner sa Yammer.
The days are long, the nights are all the worries slowly go to me. Look at you, everything's okay.
Ang next entry natin mga kapamilya, alam mo ba na ito raw ang anthem ng mga nasaktan dahil naging assuming?
Agoy.
Oo. Ayan, alamin natin kung bakit. Alamin natin dito. Let's all watch this.